So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money from Binance into your Coinbase account. Let me say you want to send money to your friend. I will show you everything on this video. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how you can send money from Binance to Coinbase or any other crypto platform or other crypto networks. So how to do it? First thing, log into your Binance account. So for those of you who don't have a Binance account, you can use the link in the description to create your Binance account if you want. This is not compulsory. If you want, you can use the first link in the description. And Coinbase, for those of you who want to create their Coinbase account, you can use the link in the description. So once you land on your Binance account, you open your Binance account. This is how it look on the interface from your smartphone. And once it open, you have to click on this section where it said wallet at the bottom. So once you click on wallet, you need to go to the section where you see funding. Go to funding. So once you come to funding here, you will see a section where you see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So what you need to click on is this section where it says withdraw. So once you click on withdraw here, it will open up. So once it open up, you'll find the cryptocurrencies that you have on your account. As you can see, we will use Bitcoin for this example. And I will click on Bitcoin here. Once I click on Bitcoin, it will pop two sessions. There is two ways you can use to send money to other of your Binance account for 100% free. And if you want to send it, you see what it said. It says send via crypto networks. This one, you are going to pay a fee. But if you send via email or phone number to other Binance accounts, you are not paying any fee. This is 100% free. So if let us use, for example, the first one, which is to send money via email or phone number, which is to send money to other of your Binance friends, or I don't know the kind of people you want to send money to, but it can be anyone that is using Binance. This is for just people for Binance. You click on Binance, you click on that where it says send, and it will open this page. Here you are going to enter the phone number or the ID of the person or the email of the person. Here you enter the amount of the BTC of the Binance of the cryptocurrency you want to send, and you come down here, you enter maybe a note, just a short note about why you are sending the money. You click on send. You can see at the bottom here that is 100% free and you are not paying any money. So that is once you click on send, this section where it says send, it will just pop something up for verification purpose, and you will click on that and you are good to go. So that is how you can send money to people who have Binance account just like you. But let me see if you want to send money to other people who don't have a Binance account, but they want to send money from Binance to other crypto platform, which is to send money like, let's say, for example, Coinbase. So first thing, what you need from Coinbase is your Bitcoin address. So let us go to Coinbase to get our Bitcoin address. We'll go back. So now that we are here, we'll click on Coinbase. It's going to open up. So once Coinbase open up, you see your balance and other cryptocurrency. But you see at the top here, in the section where it say receive, you click on the receive button. I click on understood, it will pop this page up. Then I will copy my Bitcoin address. You can note that this Bitcoin address, you can only send money from other Bitcoin platform. That is why we are going to use Coinbase to send money from Binance. So we are now Coinbase, but we are going to send money from Binance to Coinbase. So I will copy this Bitcoin address from Coinbase. We are going back to Binance now. So we are going back to Binance. So we are going to log into our Binance account. It's going to open. So now that it opened this, click on withdraw just like we did before. Click on withdraw and you click on Bitcoin. Let me just go back again. Let me do it. You don't forget this. You see where I click is this tab at the bottom, which is wallet, and it open up. I click on withdraw and I click on the currency I want to send money to, which is BTC, which is Bitcoin. I click on Bitcoin. And here you remember that this one at the bottom is to send to Binance, not other crypto network. If you do this, you might lose your money. Don't do that. Make sure you are sending money with this one at the bottom to Binance. But this one at the top that said send via crypto network is where you are going to send to other crypto network like Binance and other crypto platform that you know. So I will click on send via crypto networks. It's going to open this up. Once it opens this, we are going to paste in the the Bitcoin address. This is where we are sending our money to. So But there is a way you can do it sometimes on Binance. You can do something like you click on this icon here. It will pop this up like add in your address to save it anytime so that you'll not be coming every time to paste in the crypto address. You can just click on this section where it say add new address. Here you are going to paste in that crypto address that you copy from Coinbase, and here you are going to select the platform, which is you click on that, which is Coinbase. You click on Coinbase Pro and you click on confirm, and here is going to give you a kind of a pop-up. On this pop-up is telling you that you need to verify this capture. So you can see it will give you something like this. You just need to click on send me a code. It will send you the code. You paste in the code here, and once you click on that, you click on save, and the crypto address will be saved on your platform here. So let me do it in just a second. So they have sent me the code. I just need to come here and click on the code and click on submit. So as you can see, it say the address has already been added. It's just to show you how to do it. So now you know that I've already added this address, so it will not accept it again. So we are going to go back, and we are going to go back from fresh and click on withdraw. Let me just show you again. I'm just making sure that you follow everything that I'm saying. Click on withdraw again and click on via networks, send via crypto networks. And this session, click on this icon again. Here you can see my crypto, my Bitcoin address. I will click on that. I will click on confirm. Here you can see that it's sending it to Bitcoin net. The session where you see networks, make sure it's Bitcoin. So don't click other network. Make sure it's Bitcoin. You can see that they are going to take a fee of $3.31, which is a lot. I don't recommend you to do this if you don't want to send a lot of money. I will click on confirm. So once I click on confirm there, here is going to ask me how much I want to send. I will click on mass, like all the money that I have on my Bitcoin address. And at the bottom here, if you click on it, it will show spot wallet or funding. Spot wallet is where all your money you put into your crypto platform is staying. And the funding is maybe, let's say, for example, you want to do other things. You can find it on fund, or if you deposit the money into funding, you click on funding. But right now, my money is on spot wallet. So I'll click on spot wallet, click on spot wallet and click on confirm. And I will just scroll down to the bottom. And this session now, I will click this session where it say withdraw. So now that I've clicked on withdraw to show me this and everything, all I just need to do is to read through everything. You can see that we are sending to Bitcoin network, spot wallet, that is where the money is coming from, label Bitcoin, coin, Bitcoin, and you can see the amount of Bitcoin and the fee they are charging us for sending this money. And I will click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, this money is going to be sent to me within 60 minutes, which is almost 1 hour. So I will verify this payment with just my fingerprint. So you are going to see this confirmation. You say withdraw processing, and the money will be sent into my Coinbase account. So if I click on history here, it will take me to the history of the amount I've sent. You can see the amount here is in processing. When I zoom it out, you will see that it's in processing now. So this is how you can send money to any cryptocurrency platform. So now that you know this, let me say, for example, you want to like pay something or buy things online. If you see this section where you say pay at the bottom of deposit, if I click on it here, you can see that when I click on send here, you can see that you'll be able to send money to other Binance users, either by email, phone number, pay ID, or Binance ID. So you just enter the ID here, click on continue. It will show you how much, it will pop up something asking you the amount you want to send, and you enter the amount, you send it to your maybe anyone that you want to send it to. If you click on this section, you see you can send money by cash to maybe family or friends. You can do crypto boss. You can send money to people phone number. Let me say you want to top up people airtime. You can do that. Just come here, enter their phone number, click on next, and enter the amount you want to send to them under their phone number. It will be sent to them. $1 game ride. Let me say if you want to book a ride online, you can do that, and you can spend to earn. Here you can like buy something and make money. If I click on send to earn here, so you can see the spend to earn. This session here, you see that you can buy something from Udemy, NordVPN, HelloFresh, and a lot of other platform that you can buy something from, and you will earn reward. You can see each platform you buy something from Canva, you earn 12% reward, and from Qatar Qatar Airways, you will earn 1.3% for cashback. And let me say NordVPN, you will earn 8%. Udemy, you will earn 7%. And HelloFresh will earn a 5 BUSD USD reward. And it keeps on going. You'll find a bunch and other things that you can see. Even Netflix, you will get 2% reward, and a lot of other things that you can do by just spending and earning on Binance. And there's a lot of things that you can find here too, other tools and other ways that you can use to even make money while you are using the platform. And this place, they even have the card. So on this section where you say card, if you click on it, is Binance. So it's Binance card. Once you receive once you order any Binance card, you receive it, and all you just need to do is to verify it, and you are good to go. So that is how verify it, and you are good to go. So that is how it works. And you can see that you can deposit money into your Binance credit card. They have their MasterCard, which you can buy. You can order it. They will send it to you. And yeah, so that is how the Binance platform work. You can buy Binance physical MasterCard that you can be using to buy something online, doing things, and you'll be earning money by using this their MasterCard. So it just depends on you. You can buy their virtual card or their physical card. It just depends on which one of them that you want, and you will have it. So that is everything I need to talk about this video, about how you can withdraw and receive money on Coinbase. You can even send money like I showed you. I showed you everything here. So you can see on this section at the top here, you'll be able to send money, and receive money. And yeah, so that is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just leave me a like. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. When you come to my Gmail here, you will see that I have received the money. You can see that the withdrawal I made from Binance. This is the withdrawal I made successfully on Binance, and this is amount I have received on my Coinbase account. So you can see that the transaction I did, I received everything. So I did the withdrawal here. You can see I did the withdrawal from Coinbase, Binance, and I received the money on my Coinbase address, on my Coinbase platform. So this is just to show you proof that this is one of the best way of sending money. You can try it out. Let me know what you think about this video. Like I said, like and subscribe.